The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, south central Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, eastern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ben Lomond, or 11 miles southeast of Horatio, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover.